Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? It's been a little while since I've done a video for everybody. Today I'm going to try to paint an avocado. I saw this little image online, and it's not going to be a tutorial per se, but what I want to do is, everybody has always asked me, how do I paint when I'm not teaching a class? What kind of methods do I use? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I paint when it's something that's not for class. So instead of hearing me talking, I'll have some little subtitles here and there, and I will have some music. So if you can paint along with me, try to do that. What I did is I took a regular 6x6 canvas and I kind of drew the mango with the little side pieces, and I added a couple of leaves in there. The background is completely yellow, so I don't know if I'm going to leave it like that or not, but at least I think it shows a little bit on the video, easier than just having a black background, a white background, I should say. The colors that I'm using today are Quin Gold, Primary Magenta, Light Green, Permanent Green Light, Indian Yellow Hue, and Cadmium Yellow. Okay? So what I do is I first wet my brush, and I'm going to use silver. I'm going to do all this project with silver brushes, and this is a Silver Silk 88, and it's a size 8 oval because I like the shape of it to do the mango. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to put some more yellow on my mango, and hopefully you can see this on the camera, and we'll go from there. So I will be quiet right now, and I will concentrate on just painting.